Hi everyone, we are the Liverpool. Today we're going to tackle about the integumentary system. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to recognize the descriptions of the integumentary system, learn each part and its function. So, what is integumentary system? Integumentary system is an organ system that is the outermost body mainly composed of the skin, hair, and glands.
Have you ever think about what is the purpose of your skin, nails, and glands? Well, its main purpose is to act as a barrier against the environment, prevents infection and fluid loss while regulating body temperature. The skin, its main purpose is to act as a barrier against the environment, prevents infection, fluid loss while regulating body temperature.
Skin has three types of layers. We have the epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. The first layer of the skin, we have the epidermis. The epidermis is the protective vascular outermost layer of the skin. It provides skin colors and making new skin cells through its various layers. Its main layers, from the deepest to the most superficial, are the stratum basal, stratum spongiosum, stratum granulosusum, and stratum corneum. The epidermis is divided into several distinct layers of strata. Firstly is the stratum basal layer, the deepest layer where keratinocytes are continuously produced through cell division. Second, the stratum spongiosum or the spongious layer. Cells in this layer are still growing and multiply, strengthening the skin with keratin. Third, we are the stratum granulosum, the granule layer, a process that helps to form a strong outer layer. Third, we have the stratum lucidium. This layer is found only in the thick skin of the palms and soles of the feet, adding an extra protective barrier. For the last stratum, we have the stratum corneum or the horny layer, the outermost layer composed of dead, flattened keratinocytes that are continually shed and replaced. The second layer, we have the dermis. The dermis is the middle layer of the skin. It is thicker than the epidermis and it is made mostly of connective tissues, which gives skins its strength, flexibility, and elasticity. Dermis has two main layers, the papillary, and the second layer is the reticular dermis. Its structures is to support in strength, sensations, nourishment, excretion and secretion, lubrication, and hair growth. And for the last layer, we have the hypodermis. Hypodermis is also called as the subcutaneous layer. Deepest layer of the skin located beneath the dermis contains mostly adipose tissue. In the part of the hypodermis, we have the adipose tissue, blood vessels, oxygen lymphatic vessels, and the macrophages. And the functions of hypodermis, we have the protection, thermoregulations, and energy restoring. And that's all for the skin layers. And now, what is hair? Hair is a hard keratinized epithelial cells that can be found all over the body and serves as an important role in protection, sensation, and regulation. We have the parts of the hair, which is the hair shaft that has three layers, which is the cuticle, cortex, and medulla. And we have the hair root and hair follicles that contains hair bulb and papilla. The associated structures of hair, we have the sebaceous glands and erector pili muscles. Here are the functions of the hair: protections, sensations, and thermoregulation. Now, what is nail? A nail is a hard keratinized modified epidermis protective covering at the ends of the finger and toes. In the part of the nails, we have the nail plate and the nail fold, nail bed, nail root, nail matrix, and cuticle, and lastly the lanule.